Hey guys, welcome to this our setting guide, and here I'll detail how to turn on dim flashlights iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone and you want your iPhone to automatically dim your video content while it sends struding or any flashlight, then you need to turn on dim flashlight for your iPhone. And this is available on iOS 18. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on dim flashlight iPhone on your iOS 18, what you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, just need to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to accessibility. Now under accessibility, locate vision and click on motion. So select motion under vision. Once you selected that, you'll see dim flashlight here. Video content that depicts repeated flashing or strobing light to be automatically dimmed. So go ahead and turn this on. This is going to prompt your iPhone to automatically dim the video content whenever a flashlight is sensed or a strobing is sensed. So that is basically how to turn on dim flashlight iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.